आज के वर्कआउट सेशन में हम टू मेजर मसल्स को टारगेट करेंगे, शोल्डर एंड बैक। सो 2 सेट्स परफॉर्म करके दिखाने वाला हूँ आपके लिए। 7 वर्कआउट 2 सेट्स। ओके गाइस, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट वर्कआउट। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फर्स्ट वार्म अप, देन वी स्टार्ट वर्कआउट। ओके गाइस, start with side rotation 10 times, arms rotation 10 times, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise, get elbow, then wrist, okay, shoulder up and down, good. Now hip hop now 10 times, good. Good. Now toe touch 10 times. Good. Start with calf stretch. Up, up, up. Rotate your feet. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Change. 1 and anti-clockwise. Okay guys. So now do some warm up. Start with some jumping jacks. 30-second jumping jacks. You can do even 50 jumping jacks. Simple. Start with 30 jumping jacks. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay guys, this is our warm up. Now we're gonna do workout. पहले मैं आपको बताता हूँ क्या क्या करना है आपको, then we start workout. Okay. First is a floor hyper extension. Second is a pike push-ups, basically shoulder push-ups. Third is a reverse push-up, reverse. Fourth is a inchworm. Then cat cow pose 30 seconds. Then supine push-ups. Then floor Y, I, Y and T raise. Then move to the next workout, reverse no angel. Then cool down. Okay guys. So आज का वर्कआउट सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. Start with the first hyper extension, floor hyper extension. Go down. Body straight, neck down, up and up. 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and last 10. Good. इसमें आपको अपनी फ्रंट बॉडी को ऊपर की साइड. ओके, दिस इज अ हाइपर एक्सटेंशन ऑन फ्लोर. नेक्स्ट वर्कआउट इज स्पाइक पुशअप्स. सो आपको अपने पैरों को वाइड फैलाना है. डाउन, आर्म्स वाइड, legs up, hip up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, that's the 5 push-ups. Next is reverse push-ups. So start it. First, go in a push-up stance. Down, straight, body straight. Then down and back. Up, down and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay guys. Next workout is inchworm. So start. और आपको हर एक्सरसाइज के 10 reps करनी है. Do 2 sets. Start with inchworm. Straight. Down. One. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And last 10. Now 30-second rest, then start again. Next is a cat cow pose. Simple. Then move to the another workout. Down. Arms को अपने chest के सामने रखना. Down. Neck up. Exhale. Inhale. Down. Exhale. Again. Again back in. Exhale. Okay guys. Move to the next workout. The next is spine push-ups. Basically rhombus के लिए होती है workout है. Okay. Arms को wide रखिए. Body straight and up. 1 and down. आपको अपना back उठानी है, like upper back. 1. Hold it. Then down. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9 and 10. Hold it, breathe and down. Relax. That is spine push-ups. Move to the next workout. Flow, Y raise. आप इसकी जगह I, Y and T. There are 3 type of raise. आप कोई सा भी कर सकते हैं. Start with the Y raise. Okay. Down. उल्टा लेट जाइए. Body straight. Neck down. Arms wide and up. Hold. Slow down. Arms wide and up. आपके thumbs ऊपर सीलिंग को प्रेस करेंगे. Body down. Hold. Then down. Up. Hold. Then down. Hold. Then down. Hold. Then down. Hold. Then down. Do it 10 times, guys. Move to the next workout. Next workout is reverse no hinge. So start करते हैं. इसमें आपको वापस उल्टा लेटना है. Body straight. Start with the down. Arms को पीछे लगे जाइए. Straight and forward like this and rotate up. Okay. Do it 10 times. Okay guys, this is our first set. 1 मिनट का रेस्ट लीजिए, then second set परफॉर्म करते हैं. Okay guys, तो second set start करते हैं. Start with hyper extension, floor hyper extension. Down, body straight, up, hold, then down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, this is the floor hyper extension. Move to the next workout. Next is pike push-ups. Arms wide, legs wide, hip up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next workout. Reverse push-ups and inchworm. Next is the reverse push-ups. Go down in a push-up phase. Body straight. Down, back, up. Down, back, up. Down, back, up. Down, up. Okay guys, this is the reverse push-ups. Inchworm drop कर लेंगे. Next is a cat cow pose. Okay. Move to the next workout. Spine push-ups. Okay. Start with 10 spine push-ups. अपने arms को wide रखिए. Up and push. Hold it. Then down. Again up. Hold. Then down. Up. Hold. Body को ऊपर उठाइए. And then down. Press it up like this. Elbows से आपको press करना है नीचे की side. And up. Hold. Then down. Hold. Then down. Hold. Then down. Hold. Then down. Up. Press. Press with your elbows. Down. And okay. Move to the next workout. Next is a floor Y raise. Start the floor Y raise. Down. तो आपकी बॉडी डाउन रहेगी. थम्स आपके सीलिंग को फेस करेंगे. Like this. Thumbs up. सीलिंग को फेस करेंगे और आप. Hold. Up. Hold. Then down. Up. Hold. Down. Up. Hold. Down. Up. Hold. Down. Up. Hold. And up. Hold. And down. Up. Hold. And down. Next workout is a snow angel, reverse snow angel. So let's start. Same position. Down. Arms को wide रखना पीछे की side and rotate up front like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Next guys, that's our second set. ये हमारी वर्कआउट थी बैक और शोल्डर के लिए. अब थोड़ी देर में हम स्ट्रेचिंग करेंगे एंड कूल डाउन. ओके, हैव सम रेस्ट. सो गाइस, आज का सेशन यहीं पर होता है ओवर. तो कुछ स्ट्रेचिंग करते हैं बेसिकली. मैं आपको रिपीट करता हूँ आज हमने क्या किया है. ओके, स्टार्ट विद द कोबरा स्ट्रेच. डाउन, बॉडी अप एंड होल्ड अप, नेक अप. Hold it for 30 seconds. Okay. Next is the stand pose. Down, body relax, and front. Hold it. Go to the again cobra pose, cobra stretch, up and hold. Good. Now stretch over shoulders. Hold it. Then change. Okay. Now up, hold, straight, then change, down, change, down, change. Okay, now rotate our wrist properly like this, hold it. Change, hold it. Okay, rotate up. Good guys, rotate sides properly. This is our session for back and shoulder workout. So अगली बार मिलते हैं. Stay home, stay safe. Okay guys, bye.